Alright, so now that we made our bottom joint for the fingers, we want to go ahead and make the bottom joint for the thumb. And this is what the final product should look like. Okay, it looks very similar. And let's get started with that. So again, you want to start off with a rectangular sketch. So you go to the top plane, and you make it with the following dimensions: 1.5 by 0.9 inches, and we extrude it upwards for 2 inches. So again, this is a thumb, the bottom joint for the thumb, so it is a bit shorter. After we've done that, we should have a box that looks like this. We want to go ahead and make some cuts to it. So we go to the left face and make a 1/4 inch cut with the following dimensions. And it's a bit more to the side because of the way that the thumb is shaped. So we go ahead and extrude that cut through all, and we should get something that looks like this. Okay, afterwards we go ahead and go to the other side again, to the right face, and we make a cut with the following dimensions. After we define that sketch, we go ahead and make the cut through all again. Then next, we're gonna go ahead and make another extrusion at the top. So we go to our right face or our left face, and we go ahead and make a new sketch and create the following sketch. So it's a line and a 3-point arc with the following dimensions, and we go ahead and extrude it. Now we want to extrude it again similar to how we did for the other bottom joint. So we offset it by a 1/4 inch and we extrude it for 0.40 inches. Next, we're going to go ahead and make the hole in that extrusion that we just made. So we go to the face, we make a 1/4 inch hole. Go ahead. It should be like this, with the following dimensions, and we cut through all. Alright, so next we want to go ahead and go on the left face. Again, similar cuts to the previous design. Following dimensions on the left side. Then again on the right side, we go ahead and do the curve. So this is what the sketch should look like, and this is the dimensions. So we go from this top edge to the bottom edge, and we use a 3-point arc to make the extrusion. Should extrude for 0.9 inches. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and make a cut at the bottom. So we go back to the front face, and we make the following squares, rectangles with the following dimensions, and keep in mind both rectangles are of equal size. And we're going to go ahead and cut through all. Next, we're going to round off the edges, so we go ahead and use our fillet feature. We use a fillet for 0.35 inches on the edges here. And we're going to use another fillet feature on the other side, which also is 0.25 inches. Okay, so next we're going to make a cut. So we go to the left face, or we go to the right face, and we make the following sketch on this right face. So we make the sketch with the following dimensions. You can see that 3.16. And we go ahead and cut. And we're gonna cut for just. We're gonna cut from the inside outward. For our next cut, we're still in this face, and we go ahead and make a triangle with the following dimensions. And we extrude the cut through all. Now we go in the left face and make the following sketch. This should be the mirror sketch to the other side. And we go ahead and also cut outward. So now we should get this shape. And finally, our last cut should be on the top. So we go ahead and sketch from the right face. Or the left face, it doesn't matter. And we go ahead and give it the following dimensions. There's another triangle. And we cut through all. And that should be it for the bottom thumb joint.